So today I'm going to install this Pioneer audio system into my car. I've already installed the back two speakers. They're pretty fine. Both 6.5 inch. You just pop off the door panels and then they can be unscrewed and screwed straight into it. And then I got this dash to take off right now. Got a 7mm socket and pop off these. These bolts up here, which are in fact the same size. Don't want to drop them. And this one over here. My screw to add to my collection, and you just pick up, and the other one you push in. So we got 4-wheel drive system, or that off. That didn't sound too good. Everything is colder than heck right now. Another push-in one. Another push-in system, so I just push that tab in and slide it out. There we go. Now you can take this. There's one other clip just like the same one. And now you just kind of loosen up your dash. It should be able to come all the way up. Now that we got all the dash out, here's that one sensor. You just push this one in and you push this in right there. Or you push the back of this and it pops out, push this one in. And it'll come off the left instruments. So now I got the dash off. At this point I unplugged the battery because when I took this instrument panel off, all the lights in the car turned off. I could have pressed the button and it turned on, but yeah, so recommend unplugging your battery. Then get to over here, we'll just take off these two, and they still use the same size screw, so that's nice. Add to my pile, and the should come right out. The antenna, which is that silver cable right there, just unplug out of the back because I was pulling too hard. And there's two more wires that need to be unplugged. So now I had to go to Best Buy to pick up this adapter right there, and this cable for the antenna. The package is right here. Basically just went in and asked, they brought me to a back room where they installed it themselves, and the wiring harnesses were back there. So got it all wired up. The only one I don't have connected is the orange one, because it's not on this. This is the radio side that I'm installing, the aftermarket one, and this is the adapter plug that I got. This blue one I'm going to connect to this. I'm not sure if it needs to be. And this black one, the long one, is recommended for ground. I ended up going to Best Buy again for pick up this special part. The one at Walmart that I got didn't work, so I'll install this. You just take it out, slide it over the back, and then now I should be able to put it back together. Now I'll just take this, and this will plug into the back, and here's the antenna. Just slides in there, and then this just slides in right there. I'll shove that stuff back in there. And this one does come with a microphone. Alright, now that's secured in there. This will pop back on. Don't like that.